Greetings, Moonbats and other YouTubers. It is Friday, June 7th, 2019. You'd think, after all this time I'd start looking to check the date before I got out here to start recording. So I'm still in Pawnee National Grasslands, as you can see. Pick a direction, and there's little to nothing on the horizons, almost as far as the eye can see. I'm parked next to a little road. It's like right in here, right below this fence line, and it's kind of let's walk over and look at it. Not doing anything else today, right? And I'm probably about a half a mile from, I'm going to call it the main road, but it's actually another dirt road that's that away. But I mean, here, it's a pretty primitive road, right? Not not your interstates. And then down this way, there's County Road 96, and I'm probably about a couple of miles maybe from County Road 96. And it's just off of there's a lot of birders come here, and I'm kind of off of the main bird tour kiosk. So approaching my last few days here. I'm getting ready to head north to Idaho. The mosquitoes have woken up yesterday. Oh, and they woke up with a vengeance too. I've already got a half a dozen bites on me. So I thought I'd just wrap this up and give you kind of a walk around, and I've got some photographs of some weather that came through and the cows that visited and some other things. So I'm going to stitch all that together here and see if I can't come up with something that it's worth looking at. But, and I finished a project too. Let me show you. So I now have a kitchen table. Is that cool or what? There's my little $30 cooler down there. It's been doing great. I've had some pretty sunny days, so I've been leaving it on 24/7. It's been getting warm, like up in the 80s during the day. It's going to be 87 today, I think. And then it's going to cool off day after tomorrow down into the 60s. So it's going to drop again. And so anyway, it's kind of nice to have a place to work and do some things. And then I got this lucky bamboo. It's not truly a bamboo, it's something else. I think it used to be called a Hawaiian tie plant. T-I, I think, back when I was a kid. And I picked up some rocks and put them in a little glass thing here and replanted it. I got that from Lowe's. Pretty cool, huh? And then here's a little copper thing. This is going to be my sink one day on here, eventually. And I'll probably put a stove in here, and I'm going to put some counter space down here below, well, right at this seam level here. And right now that's my pantry. It's just a tote with the cutout from my window, from my door. I'm using it for a tabletop. So, alright guys, I've got, sorry about that, I've got a lot of stuff to put together here, and I suspect this is going to be another long video, so I'm going to go ahead and end it now, and at least this portion of it now, and start working on the snippets and download my camera chip here to see what kind of results I've got. Sorry, just closing my net over my door here so mosquitoes don't get in. So yeah, hopefully I'll get that posted today. Alright you guys, love you. We'll see you later. hard for me to imagine that humans were meant to live any other way. I mean, there's modern constraints that kind of tie us to cities and jobs, but if the circumstances were right, you could live out here. You could live out here. Humans did it for a long time. I mean, there's no way that we could do it now. I mean, populations are too high, and the ability of the planet to supply enough resource to feed the current population is probably not there, or at least not without significant technology and mechanization and that kind of thing. But this is the way we were meant to live. Pretty awesome. Greetings, MoonBats and other YouTubers. Nomad YesHappy here. Sitting outside the trailer, watching the sunset over the Pawnee National Grassland. What is it that draws us to this? I mean, it's an arrangement of light and clouds and earth. And yet, all of us, almost without exception, has come to appreciate what this event means. It's different for each of us, I suppose. But what is it? What is it that is wrapped up in that double helix inside our bodies that makes us appreciate this sunset? Right now it's quiet. A few moments ago, a thunderstorm had rolled through. Now the wind is calm and the sun is setting and there's clouds in the sky, and I don't know, just something strange about this event. Something compelling, something, I don't know, that reaches somewhere deep inside us and draws us out to come and look. And we'll comment to one another and say, wow, look at that sunset. Isn't that beautiful? We've seen, I don't know how many sunsets there are in 64 years of life, but I've seen a lot of them, and yet still, I come out here and I witness this event, and it touches me in a place that, I don't know, I just can't describe. I'm not even sure this video can kind of convey it. I mean, you have to kind of be here and smell the smells and hear the sounds and feel the warmth of the sun on your face.